everyone, my name is Valerie and today we're gonna make boba. First step, we put 4 full of water. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we put 2 spoons of brown sugar. Now we will still mix the brown sugar and the water. Then we put 6 spoons of tapioca starch. We mix it until it creates a dough. Now we have created the dough. What we are gonna doing next is to make this dough into smaller pieces. We'll cut it into 3 parts first, and then we will roll it into the smaller piece. Guys, I have already made this with my mom and myself, but my mom and me just made together, but it's not like me and my mom has messed up this, but we clean it up. It's time to boil the boba time. Hey. Now it's time to make our boba milk tea. We want to have boba and milk tea. First, we pour the boba into the cup. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, it's not pretty. We can't fail this now. We failed, but okay then. It's okay. Next. Wait, you guys made the new idea to make your guys boba, and it's failed. So my mom and me just do this. Okay, now we will pour the milk tea. Just like, I'm so excited, but I'm so scared this failed. Oh my goodness. It's yummy. I think it's so yummy, but my mom and me failed this now. Okay, we failed. Oops, I fell a little bit. So yummy. Okay, I'm gonna keep drink this and goodbye. Make sure you subscribe this video and click the button and like. See you next time. Bye.